Okay, so sorry about that, guys. Okay, 6 o'clock. Welcome back to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea, where we do quick, healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. Tonight we're doing, I don't care what you call it. You call it Pasta Fagioli, you call it Pasta Fazool. We call it Pasta Fazool. I got all my ingredients here, and yeah, I'm gonna run through all that stuff. Okay, so I got all my vegetables and my garlic. Okay, simple stuff, guys. So I got my carrots, I got my celery, and I got my onions. And I got a couple of cloves of garlic, like 4 cloves of garlic. I'm doing 3 cans of the white Cannellini beans, okay, the kidney beans. I'm doing 3 cans of those. And then I got the San Marzano peeled tomatoes that I just diced up, okay, chopped up nice. It calls for a quart of chicken broth. I'm doing 2 quarts, okay? And I might even have some leftovers, so I might even throw that in there just to use it. And then you can use any sort of small pasta that you want. I'm using a Tubettini. You can use a ditalini. You can use any sort of small pasta. That's totally fine. Hey, who's this?
Hi.
Look at that. There's a mini guinea right there. Morgan, you want to say hi? Okay, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Let's go. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my carrots in. Okay, I'm going to put my onions in. Okay, I'm going to season these with salt and pepper. Let me get a spoon here. Now I'm going to throw the celery in. I'm going to chop up some parsley while those vegetables are cooking. Doesn't have to be too finely chopped. Tomatoes are going in. Okay, now I'm going to add the chicken broth. Mixing this up, bringing it to a boil. So the Tubettini I'll cook for about 9 minutes. Nice and al dente, because I'm going to throw it in with the soup. So what we're going to do is we're going to season this with salt and pepper now. I got a lot of soup. Want to see how much soup I got? Show you. Look at all this soup I got. I'm feeding a family of 4. I can feed a family of 400. So let me take some of these bean mixture out here. Okay. Take a couple of ladles here. Okay. I'm going to mash this up now. Just kind of mash that up a little bit. I'm going to add that back in. The beans are nice and mashed up. This is boiling now. I'm going to lower this heat now. And cook this on low. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of parsley. And I'm just gonna hit this with a little bit, just a little bit, because the kids don't like the spicy stuff. Come and take a look. Hashtag Pasta Fazool for days. It's the way I like it. You take this macaroni off. Hold on one second. I'm going to throw this whole pound of Tubettini in. You want to say hi to everybody? Everybody's like, I wonder where she is. Watch, that's hot. It's hot up here. Oh. That's Michelle, the guinea pig. Doesn't she look so pretty? You like Pasta Fazool, babe?
Yeah.
Good. Good. Tiny bit more. My Pasta Fazool went down the wrong pipe. We're just about to wrap this up. And we're going to go try to get 2 thumbs up from the guinea pig on our Pasta Fazool from my family's cookbook, the Cannellini cookbook from Brooklyn. Follow me? We're running out of cheese. This used to be a 5-pound bag.
Drink my water.
She likes a lot of cheese too, so I'm loading up on the cheese. Okay, guys. Going for 2.
I taste your salt.
Too salty or good?
No, it's good.
Yeah. You taste the red pepper at all?
spice.
There's a dash of red pepper.
Taste it. Let me just taste the soup. Very good.
Yeah, all right, Coney Island in the house. All right. See, look, that's all I could ask for, right? This is not my recipe. It's my family's recipe, right? Near and dear to my mom's heart. From the Cannellini cookbook. Pasta Fazool, Pasta Fagioli, Pasta Fagioli, whatever you call it, this is how you cook it. And this is how you cook it the right way, okay? Delicious recipe that you guys can enjoy for a very long time. So thank you so much to my family members and my aunts and uncles and cousins and everybody that put this Cannellini cookbook together. Again, we're coming at you with 2 more this week, Wednesday and Thursday, so we'll be doing that. So guys, that is it. That is the show for the night. And she's done with her Pasta Fazool, and I'm done with you. So cook it with the skinny guinea. Finish it fast, even in the kitchen.